To be successful, I need a level head, a good understanding of CRM and MRP systems so I can see what areas can be developed, and understanding of KPI, business KPIs. We were seeking out a solution, to be fair, for quite a while. We came across Quatchem, which was very modest, came across very well, cost-wise was excellent. It targeted the SMEs, which you don't get many softwares that do that these days. And basically, Quatchem, it fitted into our processes really well. We're obviously on a manual/paper system. No understanding of KPIs, no sales order analysis, no customer relationship management, purely phone, email. Well, we had traceability, but not all tied together like Quatchem does. For example, you can look at any product we have on Quatchem and trace it all the way back to when it first came in, or when the customers first joined us via the CRM maintenance in Quatchem. Access Quatchem has helped us enormously. It's got all of our systems under one roof now. All of our purchase orders, sales orders, customer relationship modules, the list goes on. It's all done within Quatchem, and because it's tied into our business so well, we've actually brought some of our ISO quality procedures into Quatchem, which is brilliant. It's helped us make informed decisions because the information is all there. I can basically look at our forecasting module, put a product in, see who needs it, have a look at the patterns, everything's there. It's just in black and white, where before we had to troll through sales orders, put databases up, and it didn't really work out so well because we could have missed some. Quatchem's accuracy is like 100%, it knows everything. And because of getting the certification for the GMP, which is good manufacturing practice, we were able to tackle other markets that we would never thought of even getting into.